Hello everyone, myself Maruthi welcoming you all to this math video sessions. In this video, I'm going to explain a beautiful sum from trigonometry. Of course, you know trigonometry rocks, so let's go in a logical way so that I can make you better understand. The question goes like this. Prove that under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Okay, and the condition what he has given is the theta is between 0 and 90 degrees. That is what the condition he has given. So we have to start here and we have to reach here by using all the trigonometric identities and all so that we can reach here. Okay guys, so let's start here. So what is the given concept? He has given to us, right, what's that? Under root, right, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. This is what he is asking us to prove, right? But what is the condition he kept? The condition, you have to give this one where this is the first point you have here, right? The theta is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. This is what he is saying, right? What does he mean by that? What does he mean by that? Means if you take the four quadrants, right, as you all know, this is 0 degrees and this is 90 degrees. Okay, the theta, the angle theta is lying between these two, that is 0 degrees and 90 degrees. The angle is lying between that. So what does it mean? Why? Because please remember all trig ratios, trig ratios are positive here, are positive. That is what he is meaning. All the trig ratios, it might be sine, cos, tan, cot, sec or cosec, all are positive. That's what he is meaning. Don't worry about the sign, how it is getting converted. All are positive in the first quadrant only. He mean by that. That is the first point. Now again, let me get back. This is the question what he has given, and he has given so and so for us. Now let's think on a different way. Only one logic. Let's go for the logic here. Right, I am dealing with the logic here. Right. So do you have under root in the answer? Right, if you think about the point you have to remember is square root is present in question. Square root is not present, right, in answer. That is what the point you have to note, right? So what is the only way then only way to remove, right, remove trig square root is either squaring on both sides or rationalizing it. Either squaring on both sides or rationalizing. When do you do squaring on both sides? When do you have two sides, left hand side and right hand side? Then we square it on both sides. But here we are only having only one side. Therefore, the best thing is rationalizing. We have to rationalizing that. Why? Because why did we rationalize? Just to remove the square root. To remove the square root, we have to rationalize it. What is the meaning of rationalizing? You might be knowing that one. So, multiply something to a irrational number and converting in terms of a rational number. This process is called as rationalizing. I repeat. Multiply a rationalizing factor to a irrational number and converting into a rational number is called rationalizing. So what shall we do? Right, we have to say this one. Right, rationalizing the denominator. Let's rationalize the denominator, not the numerator. Let's rationalize the denominator. So then what to do? Then we have to think about the rationalizing factor. The rationalizing factor of the under root, the bottom what we are having, 1 minus cos theta is under root 1 plus cos theta. You have to remember, this is the rationalizing factor of the denominator. 1 minus cos theta rationalizing factor is 1 plus cos theta. Why? Why? Because if you multiply this to this one, after multiplication, the square root gets removed. Why? We will come to know. I will show you how we are getting that one. So what we are doing? We are getting a square root, under root here. We are dealing with algebraic stuff first. We are not going to trigonometry yet. We are dealing with only algebraic stuff. In algebra, how to remove the square root means by rationalizing or squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, when do you do? When you have two sides. But as we are having only one side, we are rationalizing. We didn't touch the trigonometry yet. We are still in the algebraic stuff. So, right, what to do? Multiplying and dividing by RF. RF means what? Rationalizing factor. Let's take the question and multiply and divided by the rationalizing factor. Who is the rationalizing factor? This fellow is the rationalizing factor. By this, we have to multiply and divide that given question. Let's go for that one. So, let's go here. So, what's the given question? 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is the given question. Okay, let's start back again. Now, copy down this one again. Yes, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. What we are doing? That's what I said to you. Multiply and divided by the rationalizing factor. What is the rationalizing factor here? 1 plus cos theta by, I have multiplied it and I am dividing it. So 1 plus cos theta. Have you observed this one? I have copied the question. Okay, to the question I am multiplying dividing by the rationalizing factor. If you have minus here, what is the rationalizing factor? Plus. So this is the question. We have to move from here and we have to reach the answer whatever he has given for us. Now let's go for the next step. Now if you check it out in a planned way, what I am doing, I am taking it as only a single part. Numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. I like to separate it into 4 pieces. I like to separate that. So what is here? Under root 1 plus cos theta. And here we are having it as under root 1 plus cos theta. Right. Here what you are having? 1 minus cos theta, and here under root 1 plus cos theta. What did I write? If you check it out, I have separated numerator and denominator separately. Now let's go for that. Let's go for that. Now, if you observe it, same into same, right? As it is same into same, can I write it as under root 1 plus cos theta whole square? Yes, in the numerator, as same into same is there, I am writing it as same whole square. And in the denominator, if you observe it, it is looking like a minus b into a plus b. If you check it out, that this is in terms of a minus b and this is in terms of a plus b. So what I am doing, can I write it as under root, as it is a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. You got it? A minus b into a plus b. That is nothing but in the place of a we are having 1. In the place of b we are having cos theta. You have to remember. So I am giving a logic to you. Wherever we are having same signs, we got it as whole square. Wherever we are having different signs, we got in the formula of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If you want right since, you can write it down that. Okay, now if you check it out, the square and the square root gets cancelled. The square and the square root gets cancelled. Now what is left over? 1 plus cos theta is already there. Now shall I think on like this here? 1 square means 1 and the square gets in. It's nothing but cos square theta. Now it is here. A square minus b square. You know 1 square is nothing but 1. Minus is there and cos square theta. Now you recapitulate all the square identities, right? If you think it on, we are having according to the square identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first square identity. First square identity. You know that. Right. So now if you transpose 1 to right cos to that side, what will be having? Sin square theta is equal to, shall I write it as 1 minus cos square theta? Right, that is what? 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but what? It's nothing but sin square theta. Now if you check it out, 1 plus cos theta whole divided by under root 1 minus cos square theta. Instead of that, what we can write? Sin square theta. Yes, you got this one. Okay, now do one thing. 1 plus cos theta, as usual we are having. Now this trigonometry convert in terms of algebra here. That is whole square of sine. I think you might have seen that. Whole square of the sine. Now if you check it out, the square and the square root gets cancelled. Now what is left over? It's nothing but 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. Till here we have reached it. If you check it out, right, now let's match it up. The only thing what we got is we got rid of the square root. That is what the thing is. By rationalizing, we get rid of the square root. Now start thinking, right, how to get the answer what we are having there. So the only thing what we have to observe is, do you have any denominator there? Do you have any denominator there? We don't have any denominator there, but here we are having denominator. So let's do one thing. Let us split the denominator to both of them. That is 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta. I think you might have seen what I have done. I have split the sine theta to both. First part and the second part. Now see here, cosecant theta. What we are having? 1 by sine theta. Can I write 1 by sine theta as cosecant theta? Yes. You know it's nothing but cosecant theta. And cos theta by sine theta is nothing but cot theta. How did you get that one? You know, since sine theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. You know that one? Right, and we know cos by sine is nothing but tan theta. If you check it out that, we got the answer whatever we need. Therefore, what we can say, under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, we got the answer as cosecant theta plus cot theta. This is what he is asking us to do. Hope you are able to understand. Let me recapitulate it. We are having square root in the question, but we don't have square root in the answer. There are two methods in mathematics by which we can remove square root. Squaring on both sides and rationalizing. Squaring on both sides we do when we have two sides, but we are having only one side. So we are rationalizing. So what is the meaning of rationalizing? Multiply with something and make the irrational into a rational. So focus on the denominator side. So 1 minus cos theta, the rationalizing factor is nothing but 1 plus cos theta. How can you say it is only 1 plus cos theta? Because if you multiply with both of them, right, as they both got multiplied, we are able to remove the square root here. That's why it became the rationalizing factor. So as we are having minus, it is nothing but plus. Suppose if we have plus, it will be the minus. So what we have done, we have copied the question. Again we have copied the question and multiplied and divided by the rationalizing factor. Wherever we are having two same signs, there we get whole square. Wherever we are having opposite sides, there we get a square minus b square. Now a square minus b square means we know it is nothing but a square minus b square. Now 1 square 1 I have converted, right. Now according to the identity, square identity 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. Convert in terms of algebra, cancel it, split to the sign and lift it up, we get the required answer. Hope you are able to understand. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.